You do not want to make this mistake and throw away this fall free resource. What is it? Well, you can see right here on the ground it is fallen leaves. There are still so many leaves left on trees, especially right now, mid-October especially. They haven't quite all started to fall, so now is the perfect time. I've seen so many gardeners throw away leaves, throw away, perfectly fine free resource. These are loaded with microbes. These act as a better mulch than grass clippings because you can put them on as a thicker layer for one, and two, they provide more fungal activity and growth within your garden that grass clippings do not do. So once a year, rake up or go over your lawn with a lawnmower to collect as many leaves as you can, and then you can either make leaf mold out of them, which is literally just putting them all into a bag, all your shredded leaves into a bag, poking some holes in, adding some water, and just letting it sit for up to a year or so. If not, you can just go ahead and either lay them whole on your garden beds, or you can shred them up and put them on your garden beds. I personally recommend shredding them so it doesn't create a giant mat when you go to plant in the spring. And also shredding them allows for more fungal activity. It increases the surface area of the leaf and it increases your fungal activity, which you want within your garden. It is so amazing what good fungal activity can do. I put a ton of leaves in here in the spring, and you can see how much it sank down. The soil level was about right where that line is, and it sunk down at least a good 2 inches in some spots. So, and that's basically from the leaves rotting and whatever organic matter is found left in the soil. So that's just a quick tip. Don't make that mistake that unfortunately, that gardeners do make. They just want them out of their lawn. They don't like the look of them, or for whatever reason. So that is one thing that you can keep in mind. Your free, bountiful, and wonderful resource. Leaves.